All right, guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on the stop block. It is just about here. I got all the samples last week. They look incredible. This is not the finish. This is the finish on them. They're gonna be tumbled, and so they'll be super cool and smooth aluminum. They didn't anodize this one, so they're sending me some samples that are anodized right now, but that's not gonna affect the timeline at all. The extrusions look incredible. They work incredible. I've tried them out. They're awesome. Everything from 2 to 4 inches tall. It has an inch of micro adjust either way, so you can slide the front over about an inch either way, I believe it is. Maybe it's half an inch. But these things are so cool. They work perfect. I appreciate your support. It means the world to me. These are gonna be the best stop blocks on the market by so much. They don't move at all. You can really abuse these things. I mean, couldn't hit them with a hammer, but they don't move, whereas every other stop block on the market deflects like 1/8 of an inch minimum, some of them 1/4 of an inch. The Craig one sucks. I mean, I can move that thing almost an inch very easily. Point being, these are going to be delivered to me, I believe, 2 to 3 weeks. The only small caveat is I'm having a kid, and I'm sorry. She's due May 19th, so that's in like 10 days. So that's probably going to throw off the timeline a little bit. It's going to put me back a week or two, but I'm planning on taking about a week or 2 off, and then I'll be back at work, and my #1 priority will be getting these shipped out to you. So they're coming really soon, guys. Thanks for your patience. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.